people just pass like say I no exist. Now fruit I dey sell, no be problem o. I'm farmer. I be now my village people handwork what be this. My God, big pass them. My God, big pass them.
In this video, you're going to be learning how to use AI to create free and unlimited long AI videos for absolutely free using this simple AI tool that I'm going to be showing you in this video. And please do not skip any part of this tutorial so that you don't miss any of the important tips I'll be sharing with you. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump to the video. So the first thing you have to do to get the prompt is head over to ChatGTP. So when you get to ChatGTP, we are going to get the prompts from here. I'm starting everything from scratch so that by the end, when you finish watching this video, you can start generating your AI videos. So we are going to tell ChatGTP to give me a prompt. Okay, give me a prompt to use and generate a video about a schoolgirl talking to a schoolgirl talking, right? Let's just leave it like this, about a schoolgirl. All right, I forgot to add girl, a schoolgirl talking. So we are going to give that a go. My network is bad. All right, so ChatGTP is going to give us everything we need. All right, so we have gotten the prompt from ChatGTP. To get the image, you are going to copy this prompt now. We are going to copy the prompt. All right. So after copying the prompt, we head over to Grok AI. If you've not downloaded it, you can actually go to go to Play Store or Apple Store, anyone you're using. Just go and download Grok AI. Then click on Imagine. Okay. After clicking on Imagine, you paste your prompt here. Just click on Paste and hit Go. Okay, so Grok is going to analyze our prompt and actually generate images that we can actually use to generate our video. Okay, so the Grok is coming out with different images now. All right. So as you can see, it's bringing up so many images for us here. All right, they all look beautiful, but we are going to choose this one. I'm choosing this. So to turn this into unlimited long video using the same character, all you have to do is to click on that place that says make a video. Then you tap on this line here to click on custom. Okay, confirm your age to continue. Like this, confirm, like the first time that you're using Grok, you have to confirm the year you were born. Okay, so let me just tap on this and click on continue. All right, then after that we are going to add a prompt. All right, we're going to type what she's going to say in the video. So I want her to, guys, sorry for the background noise because I'm in my business place now and vehicles and tricycles and the rest, they are passing along the road. So just bear with me and follow the tutorial step by step. Okay, so I want her to say, hello everyone, I'm not real. Okay, let me just say, hello everyone, the creative Susan created me. Okay, let's just hit on go and wait for our video to generate. So we are going to wait for a few seconds and the video is going to be ready. As you can see, it's generating the video.
Hello everyone, the creative Susan created me. Hello everyone, the creative...
So I'll just reduce the volume so that you can hear what I'm saying. So to download this video we've just created now, you just tap on the download button there and click on allow, and it's going to save directly to your phone's gallery. Okay, so what are you going to do to get a longer form of this video? If you want the girl to do other things and it should maintain the same character, then you go over to your phone gallery. Let me go over to my phone gallery and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here is the video we just downloaded. Okay, so to maintain the character and the length of the video, like you want it 30 minutes 15 minutes, depending on what you want, you go over to your phone gallery and click on the setting icon. Click on that setting icon, either where the editing icon, rather you click on edit. Then all you have to do is to click on crop. Where is crop is? Okay, you click on either anything that will make it appear full like this. So I'm going to screenshot it now. Then I'm going to go over, we are going back, discard. So just the screenshot is what I need here, the image of the just the screenshot is what I need. Okay, so here is the screenshot. What I need now is just to crop it. Okay, are you seeing what I'm doing? All you have to do is to get the image of the character, the girl that was speaking. Any image you generate, just get the image, you crop it like this and save it now. So after getting your image, like the image of the first video that you were using, the character that was talking, then you head over to crop again. Okay, you head over there, you go back, just click on imagine again, then you add your image. Okay, you're gonna, so we are choosing on that image that we just cropped now. We took a screenshot from the video and now we have cropped the image. So I want the image to continue so that I get a second phase of my video, because that first phase is over. So I would now type what I want the girl to do next. Okay, so I will now give it a prompt, just a simple prompt. You don't have to crack your brain. Just tell the just input what you want the girl to do in the image. So I want her to jump in excitement. Okay, so that's just what I want her to do in this scene. So we are just going to hold on for a few seconds and our video is going to be ready. So the next thing you have to do, as you can see, she has already started jumping in excitement. So the video is downloaded to my gallery now. So just like this is how you're going to continue doing. Take a screenshot of the character and move over to the next scene, and that's how, even no matter how long you want your video, you can repeat this particular method and make your videos. Okay, so to merge the video together without being noticed that the video was actually created in short forms, all you have to do is to use any of your editing apps. So I'm going to be using CapCut for this purpose. So I'll go over to my CapCut app now. I'm gonna close this and click. So I'm gonna click on new video and select the two videos that I want to mesh together. Then let's play it first.
The creative Susan created me.
Okay, so you notice the gap in between it. So to mesh this together, all I have to do is to just drag this, highlight the first one and drag it a little bit like this. Then you can highlight the second one and drag this a little bit like this, and let's play it again to see how it looks like.
Hello everyone, the creative Susan created me.
Alright, so if you are posting it on YouTube, all you have to do is change the aspect ratio. All you have to do is to go back and choose the aspect ratio to be 16.9. Alright, and you can actually adjust these to fit the screen, to reduce it, anyhow you want to do it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial to the end. Do well to like, comment, subscribe and share for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.